Hello friends, I am your blogger buddy Bhavesh, and today's our topic is how to set up Google Analytics on WordPress website. So we need to understand, like before setting the WordPress website to Google Analytics, we should understand something important points. What is Google Analytics? Why it is so important? And after that we will see how to connect WordPress website with Google Analytics. So let's understand the importance of Google Analytics. Google Analytics is very important for digital marketing, but it is seriously underused by most businesses. It allows you to measure the result of individual campaign in real time, comparing the data with previous period, and so much. Here are some of the reasons that you should use Google Analytics. The Google Analytics shows you data from all channels that are directing traffic to your website, like organic search, which is search engine optimization, paid search, social media, referrals, what we say backlinks, and direct traffic. Being able to monitor all the platforms allow you to review what is working well in terms of advertising and what isn't. Having all the data in one place make it easier to compare the different channels. If you are currently putting money into your SEO, pay-per-click, social media marketing, you can monitor your return of interest. Perhaps you need to find out how you can maximize your social media strategy or pay-per-click campaign. Okay. Not only that, you can also monitor bounce rate, time on page, which would allow you to improve your landing page for better return of interest. Okay. So this was all about like what is Google Analytics and why it is so important. Okay. So let's see in action. Okay, I have my website theupcomingsoftware.com, and what I will do, I will connect with Google Analytics. This is the first time you go to Google Analytics, like if you search Google Analytics, then this is the first page you show, Google Analytics. When you click on that, this page appears, welcome to Google Analytics. For this, one thing is important, that is you should have an Gmail account, that is Google account. Okay, and Google Analytics is free to use. So click on setup for free. Okay, now it is asking for account name. So let me type it, upcoming software. It should be related to your website. My website is about upcoming softwares, so I'm doing this. Then to this click like Google products and service, benchmarking, technical support, account specialist. I recommend that you should check on these points. Then click on next. Now what is saying, like what do you want to measure? Web, on your website, on the app or web. Okay, so we are currently doing analytics for our web, so we will choose measure this option, which will tell about understand where your user is coming from and turn data into insight, analyze user behavior and optimize your business, discover trends with performance and conversion analysis. Like this is saying what the analytics will provide you, and for the website you have to choose this option. Then click on next. Okay, what's your website name? Same, upcoming software. Okay, and your website URL. I recommend you should have HTTPS and SSL certificate on your website. Okay, if you do not have an SSL certificate on your website, you can comment below. I will show you how to install SSL in my next video if you want. Okay, so my website is the upcoming software.com. okay, and industry, you have to select your industry. My industry, like there are multiple industries like arts, entertainment, beauty, books, business, computer, finance, food, game, healthcare, internet, telecom, jobs, education, news, pets and animal. If you have like a pet website like on a dog, on a cat, so you have to choose like pet and animal. Okay, if you have shopping, the e-commerce site, you should select shopping. If you have like on website on sports, you should select sports. If you have website on travel, like you are giving writing articles on best world place to visit, so you should select travel category. My is about computer, or you can say internet or telecom is also good for me, or I can choose computer and electronics. This is also good. And reporting time zone, I am in India, so I will select India. Okay, so click on create. Now here also you have to choose India, not United Kingdom. Okay, it's not about India, where you live is about that. I am living in India, so I have to select India. If you are living in UK, you have to select UK. If you are living in United States, you have to select United States. Okay, then accept the terms. Here also accept. I accept the measurement control. Click on this also, and then I accept. So here my email communication, you should check all the click marks. So the Google will provide you all the email communication like performance suggestion updates, feature announcement, feedback and testing, and offers from Google. I recommend that you should tick all you, because you will get some knowledge from the Google. Okay, and click on save. Okay, these are the tips that Google is providing you, like search for reports, ask a question, and your data or got help. Click on got it. Okay, and if you want to see the data on the mobile app, you can use the Google Analytics mobile app and sign in with the Gmail account which you are using here. Okay, so for now I will click on no thanks. Now you get this script. Okay, this is your analytics script. You have to paste in your WordPress website. Okay, so I am here on my WordPress dashboard, and I am clicking on plugin and add new. Here I will be use headers and footers. Okay, and you have to select this insert headers and footers and click on active. Okay, actually I have already installed it, so let me show you installed plugin. This is very simple to use, like to put any global level script on the headers or footers. So here if you go down, you can see I have already installed in headers and footers. Now go to the settings, and here you can see insert headers and footers. So what it does exactly, like if you want to, like it provide you an option to put your JavaScript code or the script on the header or footer on overall the site. Okay, so here you have to paste your script that you have copied earlier from here. So copy and paste. Okay, our script have been pasted, and then go down and click on save. Okay, so our script has been successfully inserted in our WordPress. So let's go into the Google Analytics. So code into the WordPress website. You can click on here home, and you can see all of your inside here in Google Analytics. Okay, Google Analytics will show you like the number of users, the session, bounce rate, session duration. So now let me explain you about the users, sessions, bounce rate and session duration. These are the core thing to understand about the core concept, you can say. What is users? Users are the unique users that have visited to your website. Okay, so what the user is, like the active user, or you can say like if I visited on your website and my 5 friends visited on your website, so it will, the number of users will be 6. Okay, and if I visited on your website 5 times, okay, and my other 2 friends or other 5 friends visited 3 times, so overall calculation will be like how many times the user have visited. Okay, so let give me more simple example. Okay, consider like I am visiting your website, so the user will be 1, so here it will be say 1 user. And if I am visiting your website 5 times, 6 times, 10 times, session will be 10 and users will be 1. User is unique user. Okay, what is bounce rate? Bounce rate is like whenever I click on your website, I see your web page, the article, the blog or website, and I come back, then it is considered as bounce rate. But when I go into your website, okay, I read your article, read your blog, and I somewhere click on your article, on your link, on your page like about us, contact us, so that is not considered as bounce rate. Okay, so bounce rate, what it suggests, like it suggests like how interactive is your blog. So if your bounce rate is more than 80%, then you have to change your blog or change your landing page somewhere like it became more interactive. I consider like less than 60% bounce rate is good. Okay, and what session duration means? Session duration means how much time the average, it will be considered as an average. Okay, average duration the visitor is spending on your website. Okay, the more it is, the good it is. Okay, so suppose like what is the active user right now? What does active user right now shows? Active user shows like how many users are currently seeing your web page. Okay, so let me go in my other browser and open some point like I am reading in-depth Laravel article. This is an article created by me. Okay, so now let's go into the analytics. Okay, it will take some time to come up here. Okay, page views are 2, and here it will show like the best Laravel course for beginner, best Laravel course for beginner. Okay, so you can see like which page the user is currently seeing and how many users are seeing. Okay, so if I go in private window, other window, and try to open my website again, the upcoming software. Okay, so and this time I will open another blog like InfiChat. This is a blog created by me for real-time Laravel application. I have software niche, so I publish on softwares. Okay, then here it will take about little bit of time to reflect here. Okay, and here it will show like 2 users. Okay, because browsers are different, and this part will take some time to get the result here. Okay, so no worry if this is not working like 000, it will take like 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, it take time. so no worry related to that. And you have to confirm that active user are there or not. If you get your active user count, means you have configured Google Analytics properly. So this was all about Google Analytics and how Google Analytics help you and how to connect with your website using this plugin, insert headers and footers. So if you like my channel, if you like my videos, so subscribe to it, click on the bell button to get the instant notification. Here's your friend blogger buddy Bhavesh signing off.